I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Hello everyone, welcome to Galeri Pemandaran Taiping.
My statement, and I'm reading it slow.
The Municipal and Sanitary Board Building. The building was built in 1891 in the style of Anglo-Indian architecture, using brick and timber as its main building materials.
In my life, have I seen the sky light up like this? I'm far away from Earth, and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to someone who.
The Taiping Railway Station, inaugurated in 1885, the railway route from Taiping to Kuala Sepetang was Malaysia's first railway track to be built. The original station built in 1885 was located at where the King Edward School is today, but has already been dismantled.
I'm far away from my.
A retro clock tower nearby the market indicates the age of the market with Pasar Lama 1885 written on it. The wet market built in 1884. The wet market on the main road is Malaysia's very first market.
Tell me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tell me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm really.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.